miss cracker night. It was good. The smell of gunpowder. And kids would go around and we'd pile up these things at the end of the street, great big bonfires, and all the parents would gather around. Simple, lovely time. And nobody talked about... I think we used to burn tyres. People would throw car tyres on a bonfire. Can you imagine how bad that was? Can you? God. 2015, Collins Dictionary blames... Well, who do you blame? The modern world, I suppose. You know what they picked as the word of the year? Pete?
No, I don't.
Binge watch. And the second most successful word was transgender. 2015. God help.